Lezi indaba sikwethula zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli imbukeli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We would want to see every single school being able to at least offer breakfast and lunch every single day.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube ugcizelele ukubaluleka kohlelo lokuphakelwa kwabafundi ezikoleni njengoba ebehambele eNorth West osukwini lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole onyakeni omusha u-2026.
I'm not here solely to respond to what Mr. Nkabinde had disclosed. Of course, what he said is the truth.
Owake waba yibamba lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant General Khumutso Phahlane wethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti eliphenya ngombutho wamaphoyisa iSAPS. uPhahlane ngokuqala ukwethula ubufakazi phambi kwaleli komiti onyakeni omusha.
I went there to the butchery. I spoke to Mr. Paul Lokos, the owner of the butchery. He said he kept only the footage for 10 days. It's no longer there.
Inkantolo eMantshi yaseGoli siyalele umphenyi wecala lokusoconga komsakazi uWarwick Stock obedume ngelika DJ Waras ngokuthi kuzofanele ahlinzeke inkantolo ngevideo efakazela ukuthi umsolwa uVictor Majola wabonakala esendaweni yesigameko lapho kwabulawa khona uStock.
We said never mention names. And they said, he apologized.
Umqhudelwano iAfrica Cup of Nations eqhubeka eMorocco ungenele esigabeni esandulelo wamanqamu namuhla njengoba kuzobhekana iSenegal kanye neGibhithe emidlalweni oqala owandulela owamanqamu. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba enze hora lesikhombisa igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qwa. Sibonke umbukeli sohlanganyela kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa singapholisa amaseko akasibheke ukuthi ngiphathele ziphi namhlanje kusihlwa. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube ugcizelele ukubaluleka kohlelo lokudla ezikoleni. Uthi lolu hlelo libambe iqhaza elikhulu ekwesekeni abafundi kakhulukazi kulezo okungakhokhwa kuzo. uGwahube ubehambele eNorth West njengoba namhlanje bekuwusuku lokuqala lokuvula kwezikole onyakeni omusha u-2026.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube uchitha usuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole esifundazweni iNorth West. Ubehambisana ke nowengamele ezemfundo esifundazweni uViona Mtsumi. Ungqongqoshe ke uphakele abafundi baka grade R isidlo sasekuseni. Ugcizeleleke ukubaluleka kohlelo lokudla ezikoleni njengoba ethe indlala ithikameza abafundi bangakwazi ukugxila ezifundweni zabo. Umnyango ubeke eceleni imali engu-10 billion wamarandi ukuphakela izingane ezikoleni kabili ngosuku.
You cannot teach a hungry child. A child who is hungry cannot learn, and they cannot meaningfully learn. And so that is why this huge investment by government is done. And we would want to see it expanded, because we would want to see every single school being able to at least offer breakfast and lunch every single day.
Ukugcwala ngokweqile emagumbini okufundela kusayinselele enkulu. Owengamele ke ezemfundo eNorth West unxuse ungqongqosho kuba alekelele ngokwakhiwa kwamanye amagumbi okufundela ugrade R nosekuphoqa ukuba ube khona emva kokucikicwa komthetho iBellam.
Last year, in 2026 academic year, they've enrolled close to 95 grade R learners. Now the numbers have increased. That is one of the reasons why also I've chosen this particular school, so that I'm able to explain to the minister to say that as a department in the North West province, we'll need more funds, because it means that we have to build more grade R classes.
Umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo uphinde wazibophezela uqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abafundi abangakazithola izikhala zokufunda bazozithola.
Kusenjalo iningi labazali beingane eGauteng engakayitholi ikhala zezikole bazwakalise intukuthelo yabo emahhovisi omnyango namhlanje.
December, kira the same thing from December. Ba kwala mo fatshe ha ba go founela ha ba phone ha gona di SMS ha ba tsele mo system.
Bebesho ukusidla lihlaza isikhulu somnyango wezemfundo eGauteng abazali ababenexhala lokuthi sezize zavulwa izikole ingane zabo ingenazo izikhala zokufunda esifundazweni. Iningi lalabazali lithi alichithole luhlelo lokufaka izicelo online luyinto engenamsebenzi walutho.
lento zama online, I think it's also part of this situation esenza ukuthi sifike la. So back then we apply umntwana wazi ukuthi okay uthatha bamthatha same time, then umntwana uqala iclass ngelanga lokuvula isikolo.
Ingane behamba nabazali idangele ngalenkanakane eyenzekayo njengoba kumele ngabe seyiqalile nazo ukufunda.
Why school today?
I don't have school.
You don't have school?
Yeah, I don't see. My mother and dad, they don't know my school is it.
Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uSteve Mabona uthi lolu hlelo lokubhalisa online alinayihibe. Ingqinamba ababhekene nayo ukwenyuka komthamo wabafundi ezikoleni.
Ababa kobelethi ukuthi azwisisaneni umuntu angathi isikolo sikude kanti ngoba isikolo angasifuni kodwa na umnikeleko asifunako ubukude absekho.
Inhlangano yeOperation Dudula ibisemahhovisi omnyango wezemfundo eGauteng ngiyobhekisisa ukuthi ingane zala eNingizimu Afrika ayishaywa ngesithende bese kufakwa abantu bokufika abala eNingizimu Afrika ngokungemthetho endaweni yazo lezi ngane.
We are here to actually oversee that South African children get these spaces because we know right now who's being prioritized at the expense of a South African child.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Bekugcwele injabulo novalo ngosuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole. Abafundi kade begqoke kahle imfaniswano yabo entsha yesikole, abanye begaxe izikhwama zesikole ezicishe zilingane nabo. Kade bephelezelwa abazali babo. Iningi labo belibonakala lijabule ukuqala ibanga lokuqala. Kodwa ke abazali akade bebukeka benovalo nomunyu ukudlula izingane zabo.
Mama wami dinemincili ndinovuyo enhliziyweni. Le ntombi likhulele kum isencinci umbona elungisela ugrade 1 kulonyaka into enkulu kum leyo endenza ndizive engase umuntu angathangalila kodwa
mfowethu I am very happy ngijabule kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi babuyele esikoleni and ngiyazi ukuthi bayasanda isikole anyway so anginayo inkinga ukuthi babuyele esikoleni.
Abafundi bebanga lokuqala bazihambele beyongena emaklasini abo, abanye begxuma bejabula, abanye bebheka indawo yabo entsha ngokwesaba.
I have a little bit of new friends and a little bit of my old friends. My old friends are making new friends.
Othisha base Westville Junior Primary bathi sebekulungele ukuqala unyaka omusha wesikole.
We haven't had any tears from children today. The independence has been unbelievable. So what we did yesterday was we had a day where the children could come in, meet their teacher, see their classroom, meet some friends, which made it so much easier today because the teachers then could have the children.
Ngingonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni zeSABC eThekwini.
E-Eastern Cape undunankulu wesifundazwe uOscar Mabuyane kanye nethimba lomnyango wezemfundo bahambele eNgcobo lapho bethula khona ngokusemthethweni isikole esisha njengoba namhlanje bekuvulwa izikole.
Abangaphakamileyo isithoza sakhiwa ngonyaka ka2014 kungokunje sinabafundi abaliwaka namakhulu amahlanu abavela kwizikolo ezisingqongileyo. Esisakhiwo sitsha sinamagumbi angama20 okufundela amatsha awenza imeko yokufunda engcono nenesidima.
Isikolo as you can see sina access kwizinto ezininzi ngoku. Nangoko isikolo sigqityiwe sotsho senzeni izinto ezifana nesports. So abantwana bazofane babe away from the drugs, izinto ezifana drugs kanje yabo.
I-community otishara ngokubanzi abawuvala umlomo because zange banalo iphupha loba ungake urhulumente kweliphondo wenze lento kule ndawo yabo kuba isemaphandleni.
Esisikolo sahlaziywa ngemali ephuthaphutha ama50 ezigidi zerandi. Urhulumente wephondo ukholelwe kubeni izikolo ezisemgangathweni zinendima eziyenzayo eqinisekiseni indlela abaqhuba ngayo abafundi kwizifundo zabo.
Sizonikezela ngesisikolo esihle kakhulu, isikolo sakhiweyo ngemali esondeleyo ku50 million sakhelwa abantwana balendawo nokunika imbeko ukuxabisa iprogress.
Impuma Koloni ibe nelona qondo lisezantsi lempumelelo yebanga le10 kunyaka ka2025 ifumana ama84 ekhulwini. Isebe lemfundo kwiphondo lithi ziliqela izinto ezikhokelele ekuhleni kweqondo lempumelelo yebanga le10.
Eyona nto siye sayiqaphela kukwehla kwamanqaku abantwana kwi-subjects ezintathu.
i-pure maths, isibalo, nesiXhosa, nesilungu.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eNgcobo.
Mbukeli ake sibhekeke nje ukuthi kwezinye izifundazwe ngabe khona lihambe kanjani uhlelo lokuvulwa kwezikole.
Fundi akuzange kube usuku oluhle namhlanje njengoba nje esifundazweni eMpumalanga kunezikole ezikhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla nokholele ekutheni izakhamuzi zenqaba ukuthi ivulwe ezinye izikole esifundazweni.
The thing that we agreed upon is that the grade 1 to grade 4 they'll be coming in this week, and grade 5 to grade 7 they'll be coming next week. So we'll be having those intervals. They'll be exchanging like that until this project is finished, because we don't know how long it is going to take. And if ever maybe we will decide that these kids should stay at home, some of them they'll be missing out, and the teachers will be having much pressure so that they can be able to finish the syllabus, because you know there's a certain schedules that they are using.
Kusenjalo eGiyani esifundazweni eLimpopo nakhona ezinye izikole izange ivulwe ngenxa yemvula, abanye abafundi bayifikele emathupha ukuzoqinisekisa ukuthi ngempela ayivulwa namhlanje izikole babe sebethola ukuthi sekuyoze kuvulwe ngesonto elizayo.
I just had rumors that schools are opening next week Monday, so I came to school to verify for myself and make sure that schools are indeed opening next week Monday.
They didn't come to school because I didn't have internet to talk to them, but when I came to this school, I wanted to see by myself that the school is really opening on Monday, 19.
Emnceleni Maseru Free State nakhona bekunolayini abade babafundi okungabaselisuthu abafuna ukuthola izikhala zezikole esifundazweni Free State.
Owake waba yibamba lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uJenene uHumutso Phahlane uphambi kwekomiti lesikhashana sePhalamende eliphenyange insolo ezene kwa obala umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngonyaka owedlule.
KwakungoNovemba wonyaka ophelileyo ngethuba uCedric Nkabinde esenza izitshwele zothusayo zokuba umphandinzulu wabucala uPaul O'Sullivan wayekhokela into ayibize ngokuba ligumgedle lobuxoki elalijolise ekugqoliseni igama likaHumutso Phahlane. Kwimizuzu nje embalwa evele phambi kwale komiti ethutyana, uPhahlane uthe ukuba okwakuthethwe nguNkabinde kuyinyani.
I'm not here solely to respond to what Mr. Nkabinde had disclosed. Of course, what he said is the truth, but also there are a number of issues that General Mkhwanazi himself have spoken to that I will want to talk to, that are covered in my affidavit.
uPhahlane okwaxelele komiti ukuba wayesakuba ngumphathiswa wamapolisa ufikile Mbalula wadlala indima kwesisitsholo segumgedle. Uthi waxothwa ngokungekho mthethweni ngokusekelezelwe kwingxelo zonondaba natyholo ukuba zaziququzelelwe nguO'Sullivan nabanye. Uthi lomba usephambi kwenkundla nanamhlanje.
To date, I don't have a letter signed by the president which is saying you are being removed as an acting national commissioner.
uPhahlane okwavakalise inkxalabo malunga nemiba yokhuseleko yelizwe engekasonjululwa. Uthi ezingxaki ngezasonjululwa kwango-2018 kodwa azizange ziqwalaselwe kuba kazange alifumane ithuba lokunikezela ngobungqina phambi kwekomishoni kaZondo. uPhahlane ufake ixwebhu elinamaphepha ali-170 lobungqina obufungelweyo kule komiti ethutyana yePalamente yaye uvele ephelekwe ngamagqwetha akhe amabini. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumkhokeli bandla ndisePalamente.
Mbukeli sathi qu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
The president has no constitutional authority to enter KwaZulu-Natal to impose decisions.
I-National Freedom Party KwaZulu-Natal ithi uhulumeni wobumbano KwaZulu-Natal uzohlala ukhona naphezu kokuthi umholi weqembu Ivan Barnes phambilini ememezele ukuthi leli qembu lizohoxa kwi-GNU. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni phambili besibike ukuthi Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube ugcizelele ukubaluleka kohlelo lokudla ezikoleni. uGwahube ubehambele eNorth West njengoba namhlanje bekuwusuku lokuqala lokuvula kwezikole onyakeni omusha u2026. Asikhumbuzeke mbukela ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomjalo bazo. Imantshi uAnnalise Tlhapi useyalele umphenyi weqala lokusocongwa komsakazi Warwick DJ Warastock ngokuthi ahlinzeke inkantolo ngevideo efakazela ukuthi umsolwa uVictor Majola wabonakala esendaweni yesigameko lapho kwabulawa khona uStock. Umfanekiso wevideo kubika ukuthi waqoshwa yiCCTV yesitolo senyama esiseduze nesakhiwo iZambezi. Icala lihlehliselwe ikusasa ke ukuze kwethule isinqumo kulolu daba.
The butchery. I spoke to Mr. Paul Lok, the owner of the butchery. He said he kept only the footage for 10 days. It's no longer there. He provided to the police, so he didn't save it on his hard drive. He gave me the phone number that if something needs to be verified, it can be called for verification.
So my understanding is only that one copy that already being handed to the forensic.
That's correct, Osi.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohn Steenhuisen ufuna ikhabhinethi lihlonze ukubhedwa kwesifo samatele kuzwelonke njengenhlekelele.
Steenhuisen udize isicwangciso seminyaka elishumi sokunqanda ilahleko yezimali kunye nonxunguphalo oludalwe sesisifo senyebethu nochwane. Siquka ukutofwa kwezilwanyana. Umphathiswa uthi zikhona izitofu kwaye ziza kufika ezinye ezingangesigidi.
Vaccination is not a silver bullet to eradicate or manage this disease. It is merely one of the tools that can and must be used to combat foot-and-mouth disease. It is, however, no replacement for good on-farm biosecurity, a greater adherence to movement controls, as well as ensuring at a farm level that biosecurity is up to the correct standards.
Esi sifo siqale ngo-2021 kwizilwanyana ezisuka ePhalaborwa zasiwa KwaZulu-Natal. Uthi liphondo lomntla-koloni kuphela elingabhalisanga esi sifo.
We'll obviously be prioritizing the high-risk zones. We know that KZN is the epicenter, but many other provinces are also suffering. The goal there is of reaching at least 80% coverage in targeted cattle populations, especially in the communal areas, and up to 100% of feedlots and dairy cows. The objective is to, within 12 months, reduce outbreak incident by 70% in the high-risk provinces.
Tiswa uthi phantse zifike kwizigidi ezibini izilwanyana ezitofiweyo kususela ukuqhambuka kwaso. Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
I-National Freedom Party KwaZulu-Natal ithi uhulumeni wobumbano KwaZulu-Natal uzohlala ukhona naphezu kokuthi umholi weqembu Ivan Barnes ememezele ukuthi leli qembu lizohoxa ku-GNU.
Kunoqhekeko ngaphakathi kwe-NFP ngesonto ledlule. Umengameli we-NFP umnumzana Ivan Barnes umemezele ukuthi i-NFP isiyaphuma kuhulumeni wobumbano esifundazweni. Uphinde wayalela osihlalo weqembu esifundazweni osesishamthetho uMbali Shinga ukuba akasule esikhundleni sakhe. uShinga wala waphetha ukweseka umyalelo weqembu wokuvotela ukukhipha undunankulu esifundazwe umnumzana uThamsanqa Ntuli esikhundleni sakhe.
The president has no constitutional authority to enter KwaZulu-Natal to impose decisions that fall within the mandate of the provincial caucus and PEC.
Kusenjalo iIFP ithi izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukugcina lo hulumeni wobumbano unozinzo.
It will be easy for us to engage with the EFF because we are working with them as we speak now. And we have worked with them previously. But also I think we better understand Tina, the EFF, ukuthi there's always something, right? And we want to move closer to it. We believe we can have a constructive engagement.
Isihlalo se-NFP esisodwa esishamthetho simqoka kakhulu kulohulumeni wobumbano ofaka phakathi i-IFP, i-DA kanye ne-ANC. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Useme ngomumo uThayini Ntshiza nomhlahli wesimo sezulu kodwa nje sisiqhu eyidolo kancane siyabuya emva komzuzwana.
Nginibingelela babukeli emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibheke sime kanje siqaphela nje mbukeli sikhona ke leza imvula ke ezinamandla ethanje ziqiniseke nje kakhulu malubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga uyana kanjalo esifundazweni iLimpopo ngasho nje ukuthi nakhona ke esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal kepha ke nje izulu thana ukuthi nje kube khona ke nalamathuba emvula alindelekile nje nakhona ke esifundazweni iEastern Cape kanti ke futhi nakusasa singayilindela nje leza imvula ke zinamandla ethanje boziqiniseke nje kakhulu masibheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo uyana kanjalo esifundazweni eMpumalanga kanjalo ke nakhona kweli kaMthaniya kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke sakusihle siphuma lapha kwa South African Weather Service sime kanje uzoxoxela nje mbukeli sekhona ke leza imvula ezinamandla ezithanda nje ukuba ziqiniseke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kanjalo nakhona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo kuphela sekulindeleke nje lokuduma ke obunobungozi obuthanda nje ukuthi uqiniseke nje khona ke esifundazweni Eastern Cape kanjalo esifundazweni eFree State kanti futhi nakusasa ngaphela silindeleke nje leza imvula ezinamandla eqiniseke khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kanjalo nakhona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo nakhona kweli kaMthaniya ngaphela sekulindeleke lokuduma obunobungozi obuthanda uqiniseke nje khona ke esifundazweni iFree State kanti ke amazinga okushisa phansi kakhulu asemali masibheke nje khona ke eKapa lodumo singalindela nje u16 namhlanje ebusuku solindela nje nakhona ku17 Appington kanti masibheke nje khona ke eGoli koSoweto kaNdonga ziyaduma singalindela nje u14 eMusina singalindela nje u20 kanti ke eThekwini lamhlishisa ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u23 kanjalo ke nakhona ke eGqeberha singalindela nje u19 kanti ke uSathathana ukuthi nje liphola ke izulu eKapa lodumo ngawo nje u23 liyashisa ngempela mawubheke nje Appington ngawo nje u36 hlise njalo ke nakhona koGoli ngawo nje u27 kanti ke Emelo ngasho nje usilifudumele ngawo nje u25 eminambithi singalindela nje u30 kuyena kanjalo ke Richards Bay kompanyeni singalindela nje u31 mawubheke nje khona ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi singalindela nje u28 kanti mawubheke nje khona ke eGqeberha lemi nje ku26 kanti ke George u21 isibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihla mina ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona namhlanje kusasa abakhonoza kwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesiXhosa ube nje nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.